Hello friends, welcome to MNP Guru. In this video, we will know the latest interest rates on post office deposits schemes like PPF, KVP, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, National Saving Certificate, MIS, Senior Citizen Saving Schemes, Post Office RD, FD and saving deposits. The interest rate which is applicable for the period from 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. So this video is very important. Let's start the video. Friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the upcoming videos on this channel. As you can see it here, the interest rate on saving deposit of post office is 4%, which is compounded annually. It means you get the interest once in a year. For 1 year time deposit, that is for 1 year FD, the rate of interest from 1st July is 5.5% and the interest is accumulated quarterly. For a 2 year time deposit, the rate of interest is same, that is 5.5%, and in this case also the interest is given quarterly. For a 3 year time deposit, the rate of interest is 5.5% and in this case also the interest is compounded quarterly. For a 5 year time deposit, the rate of interest is a handsome one, better than in the case of banks. It is 6.7% and in this case also the interest is compounded quarterly. For a 5 year RD, that is a 5 year recurring deposit, the rate of interest will be 5.8% and the interest is accumulated quarterly. And if you talk about senior citizen saving schemes, that is of a 5 year one, the rate of interest is 7.4% and in this case the interest is paid quarterly. It means you will get the interest quarterly in your bank account. And in the case of a famous monthly income account, that is monthly income scheme, MIS scheme, of a 5 year in post office, the rate of interest is 6.6% and in this case you get a monthly benefit, that is a monthly interest, and it is also paid into your bank account. And about 5 year NSC, that is 5 year National Saving Certificate, the rate of interest is 6.8% and the interest is given annually in this case. And also a most famous public provident fund, that is PPF, the rate of interest was decreased in the last quarter, that is from April to June 2020. The rate of interest now is also 7.1% and in this case also the interest is accumulated annually. And after that the number comes of Kisan Vikas Patra, that is KVP. KVP, the rate of interest is 6.9%. It is also compounded annually and from the period of July to September, the KVP will mature in 124 months, that is 10 years and 4 months. And last but not the least, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, a very good post office plan for girl child below 10 years of age. The rate of interest is 7.6% and in this case also the rate of interest is accumulated annually. So in short, I would like to tell you that the rate of interest which was prevalent for the period of April to June 2020, it has been remain unchanged now also, that is the government has not changed for the period of July to September, hence the rate of interest is same. So this was a video on the interest rates of post office deposit saving schemes. I hope you have liked the information, liked the video, and don't forget to share with your family and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed till now. If you have some questions in your mind, you can ask in comment section. Until next video, have a nice day, keep smiling.